How to tag people in an Instagram story. Well, let me show you how it's done. So first up, you go to Instagram, and then over here you try to make a story. Since it's a story that I'm going to show you and how to tag people in the story. Let's say I want to upload this thing that I have watched the Batman movie recently, and let's say I want to tag some of my friends, or someone who is also not in my friends or followers list. You can tag any person that is available on Instagram. All you have to do is go to the stickers tab, which is right here. Go to stickers tab, and as you can see on the top tab there is this thing called mention, and that is pretty much it. All you have to do is type in the first key words of the account that you want to tag. Let's say I want to tag my own account, which is Techno Savviness, so I press in tech, and over here in the bottom you can see all the suggestions with the keyword tech. Since it's Techno Savviness that I want to tag, I click on it, and once I click on it I can resize or even change the color and pattern of the design. Once you do that, you pretty much tagged someone on your story. Now all you have to do is post your story, and that's pretty much it. All you have to do is click on this account, and there it is. You have tagged someone on your Instagram story successfully. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you comment down below on what next video we should make, and if you did, also like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye bye.